Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is the Tiana inspired bow, if you can't tell by the colors or the title of the video. This is the style of the bow is called a Luna bow. I will be linking the template down below for you guys. It'll be in my Dropbox. To get started, you're obviously going to need to trace out all of your pattern pieces. Cut them out of the glitter canvas or faux leather of your choice. I went with these colors because they're Tiana colors. You are going to need your glue gun. You're going to need your scissors. Lighter is optional. It just tends to help meld the glitter canvas at the ends. And you are going to need the clip of your choice. I opted for a 2 3/4 inch alligator clip. All right, we are going to get started by adding the clip to the back. I did number these as it is a new template, and I've numbered all of them right in the center where it's not going to be seen once the bow is put together. We are going to just add the clip in, pressing down and making sure that it fully adheres. If you have any glue that has seeped up, grab one of the orange sticks that I tell you guys is a must-have for your craft room, and this is why. You can just peel up any glue that has seeped it through and get it out of there. I'll show you guys one more time. Make sure you have firm pressure and just slide along the clip, and it pulls all of the hot glue that has seeped out off. You can put that off to the side. Add your center strip in now. This is the center strip that came along with the bow template that I found on Pinterest. I'm a little iffy on whether or not it's going to cover it, but we'll find out. And then start assembling your pieces. Tabs to centers. This is a 4-layer bow, including the spikes. So this is the layer that goes next to the spikes. We're going to put them together in order so that we can glue them together as they are completed. This one, I've seen it in other patterns, the Luxe French bow, for instance. And it is just tabs to the center. So that's all you have to do is just go around, tabs to the center. I tend to leave that little bit of a gap right there where the number 2 is. It helps to attach it without the bulk to the rest of the bow. We're going to attach piece 2 to piece 3. This is what I mean by it doesn't have the bulk. You notice it lays flat on piece 2. Make sure to press down so it attaches. And then you are going to do piece 1. Tabs to center. Just like that. sure everything is attached, and then you glue that to the top of pieces 2 and 3. This template didn't actually have a name. I'm just naming it because I need a name for it. So this is going to be the Luna French bow. Press down on all 3 pieces, making sure they all attach. And then you're going to glue them to the spike that we prepared earlier. Holding everything down. And then bring up your center wrap. All right, so it was enough. Just enough. Ooh, this is a very tight just enough. If I had made a mock-up of this, I would have made the center strip a little bit longer. I would suggest doing that when you cut, just so that you have a little bit of a buffer, because this is just exactly enough. And there you guys go. You have the Tiana inspired Luna bow. Look at how pretty that is. I think this is so beautiful. I love the sparkle, and it really does embody Tiana. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down in the comment section below. If you have any video suggestions or Disney princess suggestions for inspired bows, please leave those down below. You can also reach me on Instagram. The link is in the description box, along with any pertinent supplies you are going to need for this. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you think somebody you know would like this video, please share it to them. Share it on social media. It really helps with the algorithm and boosts me in views. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button. It's somewhere around there. And right next to it is a bell. Click that. Set your notifications to all so you're notified every time I upload a new video. This is so pretty. I love this. Our next regularly scheduled videos are going to be 2 videos with the Panda haul, supply haul that I did. One is going to be a bow and one is going to be a necklace. The necklace one will be uploaded either on Wednesday or Thursday, and the bow one will be uploaded the following Monday. So please keep your eye out for that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.